Custom brushes unlock speed and precision that preset textures simply can't match. Today, how to create speckled texture brushes. Open Photoshop and create a small document around 600 by 600 pixels with a white background. Add noise using Filter, Noise, Add Noise at about 80% Gaussian monochromatic. Open Levels and adjust sliders until only scattered black dots remain. Go to Edit, Define Brush Preset, and name it Speckled Brush. Now create a new document and select the Brush tool. Choose your new brush, then open Brush Settings. Increase spacing to about 120%. Enable Shape Dynamics for size